channel Shrewdly Sammy. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for latest notifications. Also post some love for my channel as it will motivate and will help me to grow my channel. Thank you. सबको देख के आपको पता चल गया होगा. Today's video will be unboxing video of my Apple products. And today's video I will be unboxing these Apple gadgets and will share my reviews for the same. So yes, let me grab some coffee. I will be back in 5 seconds and then we will continue with our unboxing video. I am back guys. Let's start our unboxing video. Let me give an overview what I have bought. Like कौन सी चीजें मैंने ली हैं. सबसे पहले तो अपना iPhone 11, then न्यू MacBook Pro M1 चिपसेट वाला, एयरपॉड्स, एंड आप सबको पता है कि एप्पल अभी चार्जर देता नहीं है तो चार्जर अलग से लेना ही पड़ा. 20 वॉट का चार्जर एंड कवर. चलिए सबसे पहले हम करते हैं अनबॉक्स अपने iPhone 11 को. लेट्स क्विकली अनबॉक्स इट. New iPhone 11. Let's check what's inside the box. We have only lightning cable, some paper stuff, and I think Apple sticker तो होगा ही. Right, I was right. It looks like white. Okay, and we have other papers. Yes, we have SIM ejector tool. Let's keep it aside. So guys, now is the moment. Guys, I cannot express my feeling, but you can relate it. So basically 6.1 inch display. It's an LCD display, but it's a retina display. We have a front camera and front earpiece. At the bottom we have one speaker. Now let's move to our MacBook Pro. ये ऐसे कुछ बॉक्स में आता है, like this one, okay, and also same I did a partial unboxing for the same to thoroughly check it at store. Let's. And you know, best thing for Apple, you don't need any scissor to unbox the things. Apple just gives you a pull tab type. You need to pull it and it will be unboxed. And one more thing, like if you buy it from offline or online, you will get this MacBook, whether it's an Air or Pro, you will get this kind of packaging. So you can say that it's an authentic product. And yes, we have extra protection. And as you know, Apple is Apple. No words. And yes guys, it's a 13-inch MacBook Pro M1 chipset. It's the latest one. Okay. How I wish the same color, the space gray, should be available back in the iPhones. Actually, if that was available, literally I will buy that one, not the black one actually. Let's unbox this again. That's the feeling. So inside this we have the regular documents, and yes, we have a charger, and let me check, it is a 16 or with that. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's a 61 watt, and if you buy a MacBook Air, you will get a 30 watt of charger, and this is 61 for Pro version. And yes, we get the lightning cable for our charging this MacBook Pro. Nothing else is required for this one. Let's boot it up. It's very sleek one, so I can pull it and open it further. You can see the Apple logo. What? For the first time booting, we'll get this Apple logo. So guys, let me configure my new MacBook Pro and we'll catch you in some time. So guys, now moving on to add-on accessories which I bought for my Apple iPhone. And this is a 20 watt charger. As you know, the charging brick is not coming with the iPhones from 2020 post 12 launching. And yes, this is the pull tab which I was telling you about, that we can have this one in any Apple product without using scissors. You can unbox it, so I will show you the same. Now let's open this charging brick and some documents. And yes, again, now let's unbox the cover too. Soft silicone cover. Let's put it on the phone. I need to push it. So it looks like this one. So now last product for the day to unbox. It's AirPod 2. Actually, I didn't buy the AirPod Pro because I didn't like the small size of that. I was feeling that it may be not comfortable in my ear, and that store manager also suggests to go with the Pro. So that's why I bought this one, AirPod 2, not the Pro one. Let's unbox this also. I think for AirPods we don't have any pull tab like that. And yes, these are not wireless one. I use the charging one only. Inside box we have the paper documents actually. Here comes our main thing, AirPods. Looks like very cute little one. Okay. These are the one, and in order to pair with your phone, now see, you got the update that AirPods are there. Now in order to pair these AirPods with my iPhone, when I just open it, I will get a notification that nearby AirPods are there. Do you want to connect it? When I click on yes, then it will be connecting.